important things, guys, welcome back first of all, is premium versus discount. This is another controversial topic because everybody talks about premium discounts, but they don't understand that premium and discount is just not just the impulsive lag, okay? And I'm gonna teach you this during the daily cycle, intraday cycle lesson. But for the moment, we must understand that the premium and discount topic is most important because we need to understand the true level of discount, the true level of premium price. Okay, so if I'm into this range, low to high, I know that price below the 50% or equal 50% of the equilibrium are more important than the above one. But are important just in terms of value because it's more cheap to buy into this level compared to this one. The same things for the discount and premium on the opposite side, the premium zone. In terms of selling, if I have to sell something, it's better to sell at a higher level of price. Okay, this is common sense. So if I have to sell my car, if I have to sell my phone, if I have to sell my item, I would like to sell at the best price as possible. Okay, and this is what we have to do as a forex trader. We need to find the best deal as buyer on the cheapest level of price and as seller not expensive level of price, most expensive. The point is again, I will now put all the not all the pieces together, but some pieces together from the last two lessons. If we are on the bullish trend, but on weekly side, but we use on a weekly basis, and we use the H4 as our main structure. We should be we could be confused because if we use this level as my major level of structure, we probably don't realize that we are in the worst level as possible. So when they stop us out, think, okay, now it's time to short. Yeah, maybe you can take some short-term trades, but you're gonna miss the best trade because you didn't realize that you are now in the best level, in a good level to take continuation because you are just focused on a small part of price action. But you have to take in consideration the whole price action, the big picture. Same thing for the bearish trend. If we use 15 minutes for hour as our major structure, we will be always, not always, but most of the time in trouble or confused. Because again, you take into consideration these are good supply because it looks like great, it looks like a great order block, great supply, great POI, etc. But you are in the worst place to catch continuation, so they will stop you out and maybe move in your direction. Okay, and this happens all the time. I saw a lot of examples of my students that in the past they were involved in this shit. Okay, pardon for bad words, but it's true. So now, let me show you on a real chart some example. Okay. Now let's say the last movement. Okay, this is the third one of March. Okay, we are into this weekly range, and we are into this daily supply. Now, if we scale into intraday time frame, okay, it looks like a bullish trend, you know. So it looks like a great impulsive movement and a great demand. Okay. So if you forgot to check the higher time frame, you don't realize that now we are inside this weekly premium area above the 50% and inside this daily supply. So you're probably gonna miss this huge movement. You're gonna be stopped out. And this is over 400 pips. Okay. So this is why it's important to understand the higher time frame structure based on the first lesson, second lesson, and the higher time frame range and the higher time frame measure POI because you can be involved in this type of trades. I will show you exactly how to catch counter trend and when is the moment to trade counter trend. But you must be conscious about what kind of trades you are involved into and how I can manage this trade because this trade should be managed more aggressively than this one. And most important that you are in pro trend for more, basically for 1 month almost. So you know the direction for a long period of time, medium period of time, so you can avoid the other side trades. And you should be focused. You must be focused on the one side. Okay. So look again the price action higher time frame. 1, 2, and 3. Basically lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Simple. Then during the dial cycle, daily cycle, weekly cycle, we show you to understand on daily basis to understand which level is premium, which level is discount. Because then once the price tapped into daily time frame or weekly time frame, then now is the time to use the intraday time frame. And to use this, I will show you this during the liquidity lesson. These are confirmation for a lower price. Okay, guys. Cool. See you next time. See you next lesson.